In this quick iPhone 14 tutorial, I'll show you how to turn the mirror front camera setting on or off, so your selfies look exactly the way you want. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Camera. Under the Composition section, look for the Mirror Front Camera option. Simply tap the toggle to turn it on or off. When Mirror Front Camera is enabled, your saved selfies will look the same as the preview you see while using the front camera. If you turn it off, your selfies will be saved as they would appear to other people, which may look flipped compared to the preview. After changing the setting, open the Camera app, switch to the front camera, and take a selfie to see the difference. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable the mirror front camera on iPhone 14. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick iPhone camera tips and tutorials.